Hello, my name is Dana Hopkins, Chief Operating Officer with HEVI Corp. Today, I'm here to introduce our H65L, our newest fully electric construction wheel loader. At the heart of our equipment is our lithium iron phosphate battery, manufactured by CATL, the world's leading EV battery manufacturer. Each of our batteries comes with a 5-year, 10,000-hour warranty and is designed to give you the power on the job site you need in 9 full hours of operation so you can get your job done. With fewer moving parts, our equipment can save you up to 60% on your maintenance bills and reduce your reliance on diesel fuel, saving you $30,000 annually. At HEVI, we're committed to giving you the right tool for the right job.
Welcome to the safety guide of the H65L loader. In this video, we'll cover essential steps and precautions for safe use and operation, from pre-start checks to shutdown procedures. The user must read and understand the operation manual prior to use. This video will serve as a helpful guide. Before starting the H65L each day, perform a pre-start check. This is a visual walk-around inspection to ensure there are no obvious defects or issues with the machine. Look for any type of oil leaks, tire damage, or impact damage. Ensure the master power switch is on. Inspect the steps and ensure they are free of dirt buildup that could lead to slips or accidents. Before entering the loader, remove any mud or debris from your shoes. Dirt can block the pedals and cause control issues. When entering or exiting the cab, always face the machine and use 3 points of contact. Never leave loose parts or tools in the cab. They could damage the controls or cause dangerous unintentional movements. Check that the mirrors are adjusted properly and clean. Before starting, sit in the operator's seat and adjust it to a comfortable position. Fasten the seatbelt, place your foot on the brake, and ensure the transmission is in neutral. Release the handbrake and make sure that there is sufficient braking pressure before moving the loader. Insert the key, turn it to start, and release. Next, check the instruments, ensuring all readings are normal. When checking the lighting, it's easier if you have a coworker verify that the exterior lights, including the headlights, backup lights, brake lights, turn signals, and, if equipped, the warning beacon light all illuminate properly. Depress the brake pedal before selecting a gear, and ensure there is sufficient brake pressure before moving. Always honk the horn to alert those around you. After starting the loader, perform a few checks in an open area to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Test the bucket, boom, and steering for any signs of abnormality. Using the pilot control handle is easy, but getting comfortable with the functionality is essential to avoid unintentional movements. Pull the handle back to raise the boom, and push it forward to lower it. Move the handle to the left to roll the bucket back, and move it to the right to dump it. There is a transmission rocker switch on the handle that will allow you one-touch control for forward, neutral, or reverse. Place the shifter on the steering column in neutral first. To change the gear using the handle, you must first press the blue activation button 1 time. If you observe any leaks in the hydraulic system while the machine is running, or if anything appears abnormal, shut down the loader and follow the lockout-tagout procedure. Before beginning work, warm up the loader to ensure optimal performance, especially in cold environments. After the boom arm works for a cycle, lower the bucket onto the ground. Check the oil level of the hydraulic tank. There are lower and upper inspection ports. Fluid shall be above the red center point of the lower oil pointer and below the red center point in the upper oil inspection port. When traveling, check the surrounding area for any obstacles or people. While traveling, keep the bucket or tool at a safe height of 20 to 24 inches above the ground and avoid sharp turns or sudden stops. When driving in reverse, always look first before you start to move. When traveling over uneven ground, move slowly and avoid sudden changes in direction. This will help prevent tipping or loss of control. On slopes, avoid sudden turns or stops, and keep the bucket facing uphill when both ascending or descending to prevent tipping. Check the area around the loader before changing direction and look in the direction of travel. Pay special attention to the rear of the loader, as it can be a blind spot from the operator's seat. Never overload the machine beyond its specified capacity. Overloading can cause tipping or damage the loader. The H65L has a maximum payload capacity of 5.5 yards of material weighing up to 7 tons. When you load or offload the machine from a transport trailer, ensure you are on solid and flat ground and keep a safe distance from the roadside. The ramp must be wide enough and rated to handle the weight of the machine. Also, the ramp angle should not exceed 15 degrees. Ensure the ramp is firmly positioned, with both sides at the same height. The motor should run at a low speed and travel slowly. Never turn on the ramp. If necessary, drive the loader away from the ramp and drive up the loader again after adjusting the direction. When parking, always choose flat ground and lower the bucket or tool to the ground. If you must park on a slope, place wheel chocks under the wheels. Engage the handbrake and remove the key. Always carry the key with you when leaving the loader. Before charging, make sure that the charger system is in a normal state. Ensure that the charging cable is not damaged and that the charging connector is free of water. When the charger is in standby mode, the screen is in the energy-saving mode. Before operation, touch the screen with your finger to light up the screen and choose the appropriate connector type based on your charging needs. By following these safety guidelines, you can ensure that the H65L loader operates efficiently and safely on the job site. For more information, refer to the user manual or contact your local service provider.